guys, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat Teacher. How y'all guys doing? What's going on? I got a cute line dance I'm going to teach y'all. If you're watching this channel for the first time, what is it? This channel is a step-by-step instructions of line dances. So if you're an instructor, this is the perfect channel for you. If you are just a line dancer, this is a perfect channel for you. I break down the steps, and at the end of this video, we dance together. You click on the video and we dance together. So if you like this channel, please give it a thumb up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. If you're located in the New Orleans area, hit me up. I have classes 4 days a week. 504-251-0674. So guys, I'm excited because Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself presents the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Yes, next year. But we're getting ready now. Yes. Check out my website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. You can register, book your room now. And thank you guys, I see y'all. And registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023. Check it out. We always sell out, okay? So, all the details are right there. You book your room right there at the website, and you register June 1st right there at the website. So please check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day weekend here in New Orleans. Everything is at the Host Hotel, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. So guys, this is a cute line dance. I mean, like, it's just 2 parts. Perfect for your beginners, perfect for your intermediate, okay? It is a 1-wall dance, and it's only 2 parts. Come on, let's check it out. So we're gonna start here on this wall. So stand over here on this side and look in this direction, yes. So the first step we're going to do, we're gonna do it on the front and the back wall. And we're gonna start with a diagonal stroll. Diagonal stroll. So we're gonna stroll to our right, on the right, and then to the left on our left. So it's diagonal. On the right to the right wall. Heel 1, 2, left 3, 4, right 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, back, front, side, rock, left, right, left, right. Huh? I'm gonna come back and get you. 4 heels. Right heel. So I'm not going to this wall, I'm going diagonal. Right heel, and I'm moving it forward. Left heel, right heel, left heel, out. Rock, recover, back, side, front. Rock, left, right, left, right. And my weight is on my right, and I do that diagonal on the left. Left heel, right heel, left heel, right heel on the left. Rock, recover, back, side, front, right, left, right, left. So I took that opportunity to turn back. So I don't rock it out, I do a rock easy. So rock, recover, back, side, front, right, left, right, left. So make sure, don't give me a triple step when you turn back. Right, left, right, left. And you start the process here at this wall here. The same thing, diagonal to your right on your right foot. It's 1, 2, left 3, 4, right 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, back, side, front. Rock left, right, left, right. Diagonal left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, back, side, front. Instead of rocking out 4 times, you rock easy. Right, left, right, left. And that's part 1. Okay? Part 1 you're going to do on the same footwork, just the front and the back wall. Okay? Let's put it together again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right shoulder come back half. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, 1, 2, 3, 2, and 4. Rock, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover. Behind, side, front, right, left. Okay, now, part 2. Part 2, we're going to take us around the room. We're going to start with a cha-cha on the right, then we're going to do a quarter turn back with the left. We're going to do that twice, and we're going to wind up at the back wall. So we go 1 and 2, left, 3, 4, shoulder back, 5 and 6, rock, 7, 8. Do it again, right, 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, quarter turn, left, 5 and 6, rock, 7, 8. So we did that step twice. Okay, now, this step here is all about going back to the front wall. So we rock, recover, side rock, recover, shuffle on this wall, on the right foot. So we rock, recover, shuffle on this wall here. Right foot, then we're going to do the same thing on the left. Watch me, you're going to be looking back. I do a quarter turn to my left or out on my left. Rock, recover, shuffle. So the same step that I did on the right, so instead of doing rock, recover, shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle, I do a quarter turn to my left. Rock, recover, shuffle, left, rock, recover, shuffle. Now, I'm going to do a pivot, because now this step here is all about going back to the front wall. So I step pivot. It's like a quarter or a half. Pivot, then I go shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle. So I'm basically doing 4 of them. Rock, recover, shuffle, watch. Rock, recover, shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle. I'm doing 4. So I rock, recover here, rock, recover, shuffle. And to the left, quarter turn, rock, recover, shuffle. To get back to the front, I have to do a pivot. Pivot, turn, shuffle, pivot, turn, shuffle. You got that? And I'm back at this wall with the heel. It's only 2 parts. So, rock, recover, shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle, pivot, turn, shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Not being too technical. Rock, recover, shuffle, quarter, rock, recover, shuffle, pivot, rock, recover, shuffle, and rock, recover, shuffle, staying here at the front. So when you do here, you do a rock, recover. Here you do a rock, recover. And because you're going to the front, you got to kind of like do a pivot turn, and then shuffle, and then you hear rock, recover, shuffle. And that's part 2, and you go back to 1. I'll give you the rotation. So, let's put part 2 together. Part 2 is a cha-cha up on the right. 1 and 2, left, 3, 4, turn back, left shoulder come back, quarter turn, 5 and 6, 7, 8, up, 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, quarter turn back, 5 and 6, 7, 8. We only do that twice, okay? To get to the back wall. Then we start with a side rock, It's going to take us back to the front wall. We do the quarter turn, side rock recover on the left, shuffle across, shuffle, shuffle. So we're going to pivot back to the front, then shuffle across, shuffle, shuffle, and then we're going to do a rock recover. We're here, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle to the front, okay? So let's put part one and part two together. Yes? We do our diagonal. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2. Behind cross, front, rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, behind, cross, front, rock easy. Right, left, right, left. Remember, no triple. Okay? Part one, diagonal on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, recover 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is on the left. Cha-cha up. Part 2. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Quarter turn back. 5 and 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Quarter turn back. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Side rock recover. Shuffle. 2, 3, 4. Quarter. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot on that right. 1, 2. Back to the front. Shuffle 3 and 4. Stay here. 5, 6. Shuffle 7 and 8. 1. Start the dance over. Now, let me give you the rotation. The name of the line dance is Believe. Did I tell you that? Believe is the line dance. So you're going to do rotation 1. That's the heel. Rotation 2. Part 1, which is the heel. Then you do part 2, which is the cha-cha. Then you do it again, part 1 and part 2. Then you start off with part 1, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. You do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, you normally turn back. The third rotation, you rock in place. 5, 6, 7, 8. Because you need to go into part 2. Okay? So that's going to be on your third rotation. So it's part 1, part 2. Part 1, part 2. You do part 1. You don't do it to the back wall. So you stay here and just rock it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then go into part 2 with the cha-cha. When you get to part 2 again, it'll bring you back to the front. Do part 2 again with the cha-cha. Yes, back to back. Then you come back to the front. Part 1 with your heel. You go to part 2 with the cha-cha. Then it ends with part 1. And just rock in place and you'll be at this front wall. If you're confused, don't worry about it. Look at the demo at the end of this video. Watch the dance and you know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's the dance Believe. Beautiful line dance, beautiful choreography. The music is beautiful. Have fun with it. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience Line Dance Weekend here in New Orleans. If you've never been, you'll want to come, honey. It's going to be fantastic. July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Everything takes place at the Host Hotel. Yes. Make sure you visit our website. Always, just at the website, to book your room and to register, which is June 1st, this year, 2023. The NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.